Hey guys.
What?
I think there's something funny about this shelf over there.
Huh?
By the desk, by the fish tank.
Oh.
The candy cane? Above the dining room light.
Another clue.
A glue! I got it again!
In your jewelry box. Upstairs. You need to open this.
Oh, we gotta go to jewelry box!
Okay, okay.
Jewelry box! Jewelry box! Jewelry box! Yes, church!
Jewelry box.
Go to the jewelry box! You have those jewelry boxes.
Coffee table drawer.
Come on, let's go!
Let's go!
To the next room! Wait, hold me!
We'll just go. Coffee table drawer. That's in here, Taj. Let's look.
This is it?
Yeah, look in the drawer. It says.
You see it?
Don't see it. Keep looking. Back there.
Read it.
Nichols wallet. Getting
Nichols.
better and better.
This is around
I know. Luciana is so clever. Under the keyboard on the computer. The keyboard we're supposed to look.
Come on, let's go.
Cool, Ari. Look.
And a computer.
Okay, look, Ari. Oh, let's go. Under the keyboard, look real careful.
There it is.
The shower upstairs in Taj's bathroom. Let's go. Back upstairs.
No, wait.
Dogs are into it too.
Whoa. They want to come.
In here, in Taj's bathroom. It's in the shower.
This way, guys.
There it is. Under corner of rug in the living room. Back downstairs.
Back downstairs.
Back downstairs.
Back downstairs. Back downstairs. Back downstairs.
Oh, wow. That's you.
Sorry, Scooty. Sorry, Scooty. Nope.
One corner, not there. Two corner, not there.
I found it!
You did? Or was that one we dropped? Under corner. Oh, that's the one that tells us where to look.
Oh.
Not there.
No.
One more corner. Look for me, Taj. I can't do it. I need you to look.
I can't.
Okay, maybe I can do it. Okay.
Check second to last corner maybe more thoroughly.
Behind the purple IKEA painting. Don't drop it. Did you drop that last night?
Mom, hold this.
Okay, it says to look behind this painting. Did Santa install a safe?
You see it? What? See? Read it.
You found my phone? Is this my phone?
Yeah!
Where did you find it?
A lady called and said she found it.
He found it. Read it.
I'm so happy.